Everybody go to breakfast. Shayo. That. You go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I'm the one by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl, it's out, oh. I'm a mind that's you can talk, oh. I put my life into my job and
hey guys, it's 6 a.m. We're in LA and we're headed to Hawaii, baby. It's really early and I haven't had much sleep, but we're headed to the airport. I just called my Uber. Hopefully it's out here. It's a little chilly in LA. What's wrong with this elevator? It wasn't moving for a second. The flight to Hawaii leaves at 8 a.m. So I'm doing good on time. It's 6. Traffic isn't bad. I just checked, so I should be there like 6:45 and I'll keep you updated. Love a Jamba Juice. I already know it's about to be like $20 for a small smoothie, but I'm through security. We have about 50 minutes. Anyway, I'm at the gate. Okay, y'all, the smoothie is actually pretty good. And then I got like this egg thing. Kind of scared because I don't think I'm gonna like it. Okay. Okay, y'all, so we just landed. I had to put my mask on that flight because let me tell you something. They kept coughing and sneezing. The lady behind me, she was basically sick. The way she was coughing and hacking up that mucus. We're in Maui. The flight was actually kind of long. Like, I thought it was 4 hours, but it was like 4 hours and 45 minutes. So that's basically 5 hours. I was so hungry. I was so tired, but we're here. I just booked my Airbnb. Y'all know I wait till the last minute to book stuff. That's nothing new. So I just booked my Airbnb. So we have somewhere to stay for these 48, or is it 72 hours in Maui. I just booked a rental car as well. Most islands you do need a car because public transportation is really just not that good. And Ubers, they add ups. Y'all, we got a Jeep, okay? I've really been wanting to have like that Jeep experience. I already know the gas is gonna be expensive, but we're gonna worry about that later. So let's go pick up this car. I'm starving, so I really wanna get some food. I booked with Ace through Priceline, but you have to take like a shuttle. Oh, we are in a Jeep. I just got the car. Let me show you guys. I'm so excited. I've never driven a Jeep before, but I've always wanted to. So this is my car for the next 2 days, okay? Don't play with me. If you see me in this Jeep, just wave, okay? And it's a touch to start, like it's a push to start. So I just called the Airbnb that I'm staying at and she said that I can't check in early. It's currently 12 o'clock, like it's 11:49. So I wanted to go check in, shower, change, and get this started. But I'm really hungry, like I'm so hungry. So I'm just gonna go get food. The lady here recommended a few places, so let's go get some food. It's hot. I don't know how to open these little things. And I hope I don't break a nail trying because best believe, once I drop my luggage off, we're gonna be riding with this top down, okay? Just wait. So I ended up getting a chicken gyro and a lemonade. Thank you. Enjoy it. And this is a fresh squeeze lemonade. But guys, they literally have everything here. I'm so glad that the girl recommended this. And they even have something vegan. Shout out to my mom for being vegan. And it's so cute. And there's parking. There's a free parking lot behind here. And there's so many options. Like they have everything from seafood. This one isn't open, but seafood, Mediterranean. Like just so much. So many options. The food was okay. It wasn't bad, but nothing special. I want to check in early, but they're not letting me. So that's already 1 star. I'm thinking I'm going to go get some shaved ice because shaved ice in Hawaii is supposed to be like a really big thing and it's hot. I'm already 1 notch down in the gas and the gas here is like $5.45 a gallon. So I'm gonna need to sit this car down and stop driving. I'm just having too much fun driving a Jeep, honestly. Like I'm just driving around like and I can't wait to take this off, but I want to wait until my luggage is out of the van. Okay, so I was finally able to check in. Let me give you guys a little room tour. It's small, so it's not gonna take but 2 seconds. So this is the bathroom. I did read the reviews and they were saying like this is definitely small space and they don't think it will be enough space for 4 people because you know why? They tried to pack 2 beds in here. This should have just been 1 queen bed and y'all just had extra room to walk because it's like, you know what I'm saying? But it's cool. I'm just happy that we're finally in here. So it's like 2:55, almost 3 o'clock. I'm about to get in the shower, get changed. Let's get ready. Let's do our hair. Let's just get it together, okay? The hair is literally giving. This is my song. Hey, I'm ready. Don't look at the bed behind me. It literally has a bunch of clothes on it. But let's go to the beach. We gotta drive around in this Jeep and get some cute pictures and just see the scenery.
Love yours. No such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing. No such thing. Heart beating fast. Let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad. Snakes in the grass. Let it.
Good morning. So it is a little after 7. I've been up for a few hours because you know the jet lag is ripping me up and down. We're gonna go to the best breakfast in Maui, okay? It's an hour away. Hold on, cause why those steps just took me out? We're going to what's supposed to be the best breakfast in Maui. It's an hour away. It's on the opposite side of the island. But y'all, I didn't get this rental car for nothing. And we need to drive this Jeep around with the top down. So I'm gonna attempt to put the tops down or take the windows off, the roof, whatever. And we're gonna see how this goes. I'm literally only taking these 2 off because baby, that was a lot. And where are you supposed to store these things? Like, I guess in the trunk, but like they're just heavy. I'm just leaving them right there. So this is all we've got, and I'll have the windows down. So let's get it cracking.
Name on it. It's not even my birthday, but you wanna let the icing on. I know you want it in the worst way. Can't wait to blow my candles out. Keep on that cake. Oh baby, I like it. You're so excited. Don't try to hide it. I'ma make it happen.
Look at the line, y'all. It's 9:17, so let's see how long it takes us to get up there. The view is pretty though. Okay, here's the menu. I heard that they're really known for their pancakes. I don't know if I'm gonna eat that. And then they also have these umbrellas to cover yourself in the sun. I wish I would have saw that. I've been standing out here and I've been getting baked. Almost there, y'all. I'm so hungry. It's 10. Okay, so it's 10:17. Just got set. Got my orange juice. I'm gonna order omelet because I love omelet. So yeah, this is the view. Let's see how the food is. Okay, I got eggs, fried hard, came with potatoes, and then I got a kid's French toast because I don't really want that much, but I just want to try it because people said it was good. So let's see what it's talking about. Y'all, that was the most average food I've ever had. Like, I mean, average omelet, average French toast. Like, it didn't give wait an hour, you know? And the fact that they rated this the best restaurant in Maui, let's be so for real. Let's calm down. Let's bring the standards down. But honestly, the food here in Hawaii in general isn't all that. So I guess that is like good for them. But okay, so one thing I love about Maui, literally, is I've been driving around because y'all know that breakfast place was an hour. They have all these little like pullover stops where you have like a scenic route. And this is one of them. So you literally just pull over. Like there's a few parking spots and people just come out here, take pictures and look at the view. Like y'all, I wish the camera could really get how beautiful the colors are. Cause like seeing it in person is just 10 times better. Like this just looks so beautiful. This is so peaceful. I'm driving back. I'm about 25 minutes away from the hotel and I'm getting straight in the water because I just have to get in the water. Like I just need to sit in the water and relax. Okay, y'all, we got the pony back on. We're back in business. And I did it while all these people are literally parked next to me, and I don't care. I love when you don't know people because you literally just don't care. So hopefully this stays on. I may have to redo it again later, but this is what it's gonna be for right now. Okay, I got a little strawberry banana smoothie. And y'all don't know what type of smoothie this is because it's thick. So it's like, is this a milkshake? Did y'all put something else in here? But we're at the beach. I have to get ready. Oh my gosh. Okay, I have to get ready for the luau in about 45 minutes. So I'm going to relax here on this beach. I really like this beach, number one, because they have parking. Number two, because it's really, really close to my Airbnb. And then also, like online, they said this is the best beach. So, oh, don't mind me because I had to take that ponytail off. It was making my head heavy. I'll put it back on for the luau. But y'all, I'm so annoyed because why is the luau right by that restaurant that I went for breakfast? That was supposed to be the best breakfast place in Maui. That was an hour away. Why is the luau over there? I should have just stayed over there. So at least I'm getting my money's worth of this Jeep. However, this is not the best beach to surf at. As you can see, they're upset because the security watch told them not to. But it's literally a sign over there that says don't surf because the waves here are really rough. But you know, these folks don't listen. They never listen. But guess what? I listen. So we're not, I mean, I don't surf anyway, but we're not really gonna get in and swim. There are better beaches to like lay in and relax that I passed. But I like this one, it's chill. Okay, y'all, just got to the luau and I got a really good spot. Love being a table of one, well, party of one, because then there's always room for me. There's also an open bar, so you know I'm about to head right over there and I'm ready to eat. And then this is the view behind. Yeah, this is really crowded. It's a lot of people here. We got a little drink station going on. This is the view. It's really, really cute. It's still sunny. And I'm sitting in the front, so let's go. They also have pictures. They took a picture of us. It's $50, so y'all know I won't be buying that because I can take my own pictures. Hello. It's giving aloha. You know what I'm saying? It's giving Hawaii. It's giving Maui. Aloha!
If you're enjoying your vacation, make some noise!
Sealing it off with earth and sand. We let it cook for about 8.5 hours until the meat is cooked in such a manner it becomes juicy, moist, and tender. It falls right off the bone and it is served on your menu this evening. Put a warm round of applause for our men in the presentation.
Pry away that husk, trying to get to the center shell. Repeating this process over and over again. Now back where we're from, this is a very competitive sport. For instance, the fastest time for a man to husk open a coconut, 3 seconds.
Wow.
Yeah, fastest time for the ladies is 2.
Period. I know that's right.
Too long.
Bye.
Don't worry, ladies. Back in ancient Hawaii, the men did all the cooking.
Good.
Yeah, you like that?
Woo!
How much men still do all the cooking?
I don't know.
You liars. Now this is the shell free from the husk. Everybody say ta-da!
Ta-da!
Kappa is spectacular and impressive size. And here in Hawaii, the kappa is prized for its most symmetric, intricate designs. Kappa, the bark cloth of our Pacific people. These traditions are still practiced by our people till today, passed down to the generations and the generations to come. Mahalo to our lovely ladies and our handsome men of Tihati. Everybody, big circle. Pulling your fishing nets.
Okay, favorite part. Let's see how this food is hitting. Aloha.
Welcome.
Thank you. Okay, we have some teriyaki steak, some teriyaki chicken. They clearly love teriyaki. A salad, some potato salad, and some like lo mein pasta. I'm so hungry, I'm ready to eat.
Kule akile hoki pano kama
halihini apa amai ukai ka uti vai o ki hau anu ku wahi kamai kai ku hale hale mai atake maluna ikapu o tamai kamakani o kolorio kamakani kolorio I waikapu mai
and my flight today back to LA is at 12:30. So I'm doing good on time. I am packed and I'm ready to go. So I really enjoyed the luau last night. Like, it was way better than I expected. I was actually really scared because I was reading some of the reviews and I was getting mixed reviews. And some people were saying the food wasn't good. Some people were saying like the show wasn't that interesting. The dancers weren't excited. Hands down, that was such a great experience. It was expensive. It was about $210, but it was worth it. I can honestly say it was worth it. The dancers, the host, all of the staff, I mean, just so nice, so welcoming. Like, I really love the energy. I love the performances. Everybody did such a great job. They're just so talented, and getting to learn more about like the Polynesian history and the Hawaiian culture. It was really interesting, and it was a great storyline, the way they made the story into the dances. I loved it. 100% recommend that. I really loved it. I'll put the exact group that I booked with in the caption below just because there's so many luau's. So yeah, I'll let you guys know which one I did. And then I came back here and I was so tired, I went straight to sleep. The food actually was really good. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, that steak was bussin', okay? The food was good. I don't know if I was just hungry because that was my first meal since I had breakfast. Because Hawaii is really expensive. We can only do 2 meals a day, okay? But yeah, the food was really good. So now I'm gonna go get some breakfast before my flight. I'm gonna take my last drive in my Jeep before I return it. I also have to fill that up. There's a Costco right across from the car rental place, so I'm hoping that that gas is a little cheaper, and luckily I brought my Costco card, so we're gonna go get some gas at Costco. I need to get some snacks and just some food for the plane because I have another trip coming up. So after I get to LA, we are going to Australia, guys. We're going to Australia. And I don't have much time. My flight in LA lands at 8:30 and my flight to Australia is at like 10. So I have to get on it. I don't have time to be looking for food. And honestly, the food in LA is expensive too. So might as well just get some snacks here. So make sure you are subscribed. Make sure you click that bell to be notified. You're not gonna wanna miss this.